Okay, let's talk about your path to Game Changer. Now, your first goal when you join Powur is to reach qualified partner. And I really encourage all of you to set a goal to achieve qualified partner within your first 24 to 48 to 72 hours. So what's it mean to be a qualified partner? It's so simple. All it means is that you have referred 3 qualified leads to Solar City. What's a qualified lead? It's simply someone who has scheduled a consultation to look at a solar proposal and see if it makes sense for them. That's it. So when you've referred 3 people to get a proposal from Solar City, you become qualified and you've achieved the first position in the Powur Rewards plan. We're gonna send you a $75 check right away and you are ready to rock and roll and make magic happen. The next position in the Powur Rewards plan is called Senior Partner. And to get to Senior Partner, now we're gonna focus on actually building your team of enlightened solar entrepreneurs who are out there also spreading free solar proposals. And when you've actually gotten 25 free solar proposals in your team, you're going to reach Senior Partner with the addition of you submitting another 2. So again, with all of these positions, I encourage you to set your own goals. Don't, let anyone else determine how quickly you move, but, don't also let yourself off the hook, right? Sometimes it's easy to procrastinate, it's easy to push things down the road. Set real goals for when you're going to achieve these positions. I think it's realistic. Anyone can achieve qualified partner within 24 to 72 hours. I think it's realistic. Anyone can achieve Senior Partner between 2 to 4 weeks. So maybe 14 to 30 days when you're really working at it, and we'll show you exactly what to do in the next sections of the playbook. After that, you reach National Partner, and after that, you reach Game Changer. So Game Changer is really the position in our rewards plan where you step into the ability to start earning a full-time or even a 6-figure income in Powur, and we'll show you how to do that in the future sections.
That's it. It's that simple. So let's talk about the next piece of your playbook, and it's really simple. I learned from one of our friends who has been developing leaders for many years, and he said there's really 3 things that you do to be successful in this business. Number 1, you connect with people, right? We're connecting with you, you're gonna connect with your friends. So there's 2 types of people you'll connect with. People you know, people you don't know. And that's the beauty about this business is you're gonna build stronger relationships with the people you know, and you're gonna develop amazing relationships with other people who have shared values and common interests. So that's number 1, you're gonna connect with people. Number 2 is you're going to share. What are we gonna share? You're gonna share an invitation to get a free proposal to see how much money they can save with zero down solar, and you're gonna share with them a video to share with them the opportunity to be in business with you and us and Elon Musk and Solar City. That's a pretty amazing thing to share. And the third thing that we do after you've connected with someone, after you've shared, is we get them started. If they're a homeowner, you're gonna simply do a live transfer to get them their free proposal underway. If they're interested in the business, which many people are gonna be, you simply send them a link to get them signed up as a Powur partner. What do? Wash, rinse, repeat over and over again until you've built a massive team all across the world of passionate partners just like you.